Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a massage gun, HANDIFE, deep tissue, percussion muscle massager, handheld portable electric shoulder, neck, back massage device for gym, for office, for home, for post relief workout muscle. Soreness, stiffness. We have an ergonomic 7-shape design. The handheld percussive massager with patented 70-degree non-slip handle design is more ergonomic and more effortless for control, which can minimize muscle strain and reach all parts of the body much easier. Less speed level means more speed. The electric back massage have 4 speed levels up to 2,800 rounds per minute. It's easy rotated to adjust the speed from low to high. The control is simple and there will be no electronic failure. Whenever a daily body massage or a muscle relaxation after exercise, we can easily find the vibration amplitude that suits our best. And in this set are 4 massage heads. The deep muscle massage gun has 4 massage heads. Double seal is adopted, which is firm and not easy to fall off. For massaging the muscle, waist, back, buttocks, sides, calves, and other large muscle groups. Massaging every muscle in our body, promoting circulation, relieves the muscle stiffness and soreness, helping to accelerate both warm-up and recovery. Really lightweight and quiet. That's right, the body deep muscle massager weighs only 1.56 pounds and has a small shape. We can easily use it when we are tired after exercising. The compact shape and brushless motor makes the gun massager will not exceed 60 decibel. It can be used in home, gym, yoga centers, exercises, at home, at your office, everywhere you can use it, no problem, because it has a built-in battery. 1,800 milliampere hours, high quality rechargeable lithium battery, and your 6 hours working time. And it's easy to get the power back into it because there is an power line in it. You only need to connect it easily, and then it will load up and you can go back to exercise, and after exercise you can chill and relax. More labor saving, smaller angle. This is because of the ergonomic design of this machine. Level 1 is 1,800 per minute warm-up. Level 2 options on the lever on the backside, 2,400 per minute. This is the muscle relaxation program. Level 3, 2,800 per minute deep massage. This is for professionals like us. You have the round head massage applicator. This is for muscle groups such as arms, hips, legs, etc. Then you have the U-shaped head. This is used for the side or the spine or the neck or the Achilles, and of course other areas on your body. Then you have the air-cushion soft head. This is used for the skin-sensitive muscles or first-time users. For the beginners, okay? Go small. Don't start too fast. Don't start too fast with that machine. And you have the taper head, used for deep tissue such as joint, tendons, soles, palm. You have all what you need to get a better recovery. USB-C wire, fast charging, QC 2.0, 5 until 8 hours working time, 2 hours charging time, and 30-minute auto shut off to save the energy. We have an ergonomic design, a simple knock speed control on the backside, and USB-C fast charging area or button or connection. An elegant case is included and it's double sealed. Yeah, awesome massage gun. Oh yeah, massage. High torque brushless motor and advanced integration technology. This is quiet and compact, and it's nice. 2020 upgraded ergonomic percussion massager. This is the upgraded 7-shape massage gun. It can be more lever shaping and more comfortable to hold and help users relieve the muscle stiffness and surrounds more quickly, increase the blood pressure, improve the overall health of the body's soft tissues. Moreover, it can more and more prevent facilities, which is kind of painful and difficult to heal inflammations caused by adhesive between the fascia and the muscles. Oh, this is awesome. And it is really easy to use. This is the massage gun by HANDIFE. It is a deep tissue precious muscle massager, and handheld portable electric shoulder neck back massager for gym office home post relief workout muscle surrender stiffness. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.